beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my brows, mascara, eye primer and eyeliner drawer. This is like such a random concoction of a drawer, but it's just because I don't have enough of the things to kind of do one full drawer dedicated to it, and I've cut down this collection so much. If you are new here, by the way, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. And don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below to win yourself loads of Makeup Revolution goodies. And today we're literally going to be doing another day of vlogust where I show another part of my makeup collection. So yeah, let's just get straight into it, because it's got quite a few things in this drawer. And I think we'll start with this container on the left first. So this one is one that's from TK, is it TK Maxx? Yeah, TK Maxx. I got this one. It's just a drawer organizer. Find it in like the home part of stuff. It doesn't really come where like the makeup-y stuff is. It's more to do with like kitchen, bathrooms, that kind of stuff. And it was £4.99 because I haven't took the price of it. So on the left hand side here we have like eyeliners, like liquid liners. So we have so my voice is going as well. We have quite a few glittery ones. Some W7 ones, some ones from, I don't know where I got these ones from, to be honest with you. I don't know if they're from Prima, that's a W7 one again, a collection one, a number 7 one, and then the other ones that are in here are all black liquid liners, or in a gel one as well, and there's a silver one too. So we have some Revolution, we have a collection glitter one, we have a, is it Douche? I can't pronounce that. A Rimmel one, a Maybelline gel one. I think this is a Kat Von D one that I haven't opened yet. Yeah. And then their real push-up liner as well, which I wouldn't recommend. It's not very good. So that's what's in that little drawer to begin with. And then the next drawer across, this one is more eye primers. So this has all of my P. Louise bases in here. We've got the shades 1 Rumour, 2 Rumour 2 again, and Rumour 1. So we've got 2 ones, 1 2 big size and a 1 smaller size. This is the size that she did at first, and then she expanded it to size 15 mils instead of 10. So this is like the original one that first ever came out. I've just got a sharpener in here. I've got the Balm eyelid primer. I've got some glitter glue from Too Faced. I've got some Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer, and I've also got the Kevyn Aucoin Foundation Concealer. This is like the really thick one. It's literally only in here because it doesn't fit in my concealer drawers in my acrylic storage, so that's why that one's in there. And then the next one, these two little containers, by the way, these are from Muji. You can see there, it's PP makeup box. I don't know if you can see it at the end or not. But they literally just fit in with that acrylic one. Like it just fits in perfectly. It's a little bit like tight, but it just stays in place as well, which I love. So this one has all of my brow stuff. Let me just bring you across a little bit. So like I was saying, this one has all of my brow stuff in it. As you can see, there's a lot of Benefit. Quite a lot of it's stuff that I've been sent, to be honest with you. Oh, actually no, some of it's stuff that I've been sent, and the other stuff, the reason that I've got so many kind of full-size ones is because Blake's mum got me a Benefit brow kit for like my birthday. Not last year, the year before, I think. So a couple of them have been sent to me, like the Brow Contour Pro and the Brow Styler got sent to me, and I think the Cabrow did. I'm sure there was a Cabrow in that set as well though, but majority of it actually is from that set that Blake's mum got me. So we have Cabrow, we have the Precisely My Brow Pencil, we have the Brow Styler, the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, the Brow Contour Pro, and then we've got a mini of the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. That one's in the shade 6. We've got a mini of Gimme Brow. We've got a mini of the Benefit Ready Set Brow. A lot of these I got in the magazines when they do the little magazine sets where the magazines are like basically like a £5 or something. And you can probably see back here I've got some backups, but we'll come to that in a bit. This is one that I've been using every single day recently though, just to change it up a little bit. This is Anastasia Dipbrow, what's it called? My god, that's tiny. Dipbrow gel. God, that was tiny. And that one's in the shade medium brown. And we have a ColourPop brow colour. This is in Dope Top. Just looks like this. And we have another Benefit Brow. One's in the shade 4 and one's in the shade 6. And we have a L'Oreal brow product, like a pomade. We have the Milk Clear Brow Gel. We have an Eye-Core Brow Gel. I love brow gels, so you can probably tell. And we have Benefit Highbrow. We have, I think this is my fake one? Yeah, this is a fake Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Blonde, which was just like way too light for me, but I used it for so long. Until I realised, like, actually that's probably not the best colour. And then I bought this one in the, this is like a real one from Beauty Bay. This is the Dipbrow Pomade in Granite, because I'm so used to brow products not being dark enough for me. They're normally like a very warm tone, and I'm really cool toned when it comes to my brows, even though I've got blonde hair. So I was expecting it to be like, to not be dark enough. And then when it came, I was like, oh my god, that is literally black. So I have to use this like with the literally like the lightest hand ever, because it is literally black. Like, Anastasia Beverly Hills aren't kidding when it comes to their colours. So yeah, that's that one. And then the next one along is all of my pencils, like pencil eyeliners. So there's a lot of sharpeners in here, as you can probably tell. And then this is a lip balm, a little penguin one that my friend Carrie got me when I was leaving the drug service. So just loads of crayon eyeliners basically. So we have a Soap and Glory one, we have a Pixie brown one, a Charlotte Tilbury like brownie coloured one, Avon, Galan, Lancome, oh, one's just fell off, one from Sothy's, which is like a purpley kind of coloured one, Marc Jacobs, Pixie, NARS, what's this one, Stila, Pixie, and then Sleek. I really need to start using these more often in my looks, because I feel like I don't really use, especially the coloured ones, I don't really use them that often. And then back here I have one of the Got To Be Glued water resistant spiking glue to use for my brows. I need to try this and try some fluffy brows. We have the Maybelline Tattoo Brow, which I'm going to try. I've already done a patch test and I haven't reacted to it, which is amazing. But I also got this one during lockdown, and this one's just a little bit warm. Like I said, I always have the trouble of getting something that's dark, like it says dark brown, which is fair enough, but it's warm, so it doesn't go very well. So that's that one. Luckily I didn't react to that one either. I've got a little backup gel eyeliner from 17. This is just a little case. I don't know if you can see. Let me just tilt you back a little bit. There we go. And this is just a little case that you put your eyelashes in. I don't know if it's got anything in it, to be honest. No. Could do with a clean, though. Dirty. Let's move these and let's bring this forward a little bit. So this is my mascaras. I have a drawer of mascaras that are already open. It has like a milk one in there. There's two, there's like a Benefit by Girl Bang, and then there's like a They're Real tinted one mascara, and then there's a YSL one, and I think a Primark one in there as well. And these are all unopened products that I'm not going to open until it's time to use them, just because I don't have loads of things on the go. So I've got a Benefit Brow, I've got a Goof Proof brow pencil, I've got two full-size Gimme Brow, I've got two mini Gimme Brows, I've got the Foolproof brow powder in the shade 3. I've got like Benefit's old school browsings. I might see if my friend Laura wants that, if she would use it, because I'm sure she uses the browsings. Well, it's now, I think it's still called browsings actually. We have the Tarteist mascara. We have that dude, I can't pronounce it, that brand again. We have Benefit, oh my god. We have Too Faced Better Than Sex. We have Benefit They're Real. Have a mini of the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary lashes. We also have another Benefit They're Real, and we have a Beauty Bakery Icing Eyelash mascara. I don't know why I said that so weird then. But yeah, that is literally all of my mascaras. I binned so many. I'll leave the video link down below if you want to see like my huge declutter. but I got rid of so much stuff because it was just gross. It was so gross. So yeah, I won't be opening any of them until it's time, once I've used up the ones that are already open, if that makes sense. So that is literally my eyeliners, my brow products, my eye primers, my glitter liners, my colour liners, my backups, my mascaras, all in one drawer. So it's quite a big one this time, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video for Vlogust at 6 o'clock UK time. Thank you so much. I love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. And don't forget to enter my huge giveaway so I can actually give back to you guys and say thank you so much for all of the love and support. Love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.